Hello and welcome back. This is video number 2, which is the overview of the JVZoo sales dashboard. While there are tons of features within JVZoo, let's take a look at the JVZoo sales dashboard and the specific items that we will be focusing on. So to keep things simple for now, as things will get complex in a minute, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and create a JVZoo account if you don't already have one. But if you go to jvzoo.com, go up at the top, create an account, and then under My Account, make sure you go to My Account, make sure you fill in your full name, your address, all your information, fill out your tax forms, all that, because you're going to need to have all that information set before you can begin to sell on JVZoo. Now, as far as pertaining to this video course, you're going to go under the Sellers tab, and we're going to go to the Sellers dashboard, which basically will allow you to manage your products. You're going to be able to see all your products, and you can add new products there as well. And if you click that, you'll actually be forwarded to this page, and you click on Add a Product right here. And then, if we go back over here, we have Sales Funnels. And sales funnels, we're not going to worry about that right now, but we're going to use that later on. And the sales funnels will allow us to map out the front-end offer that links to the one-time offer, that links to the downsell, that links to another one-time offer, and all of that. But we don't have to worry about that right now. But I just want to talk about it and just show that you need these items. You have split testing ability, but don't worry about that now. Just try to focus on getting your one front-end offer and one-time offer up. Then you can be concerned about split testing. You can look into coupons, you can look into JVs, you can look into affiliate programs and all of that. But right now, just focus on this one here and this one here. Don't focus on anything else.